Welcome this video gardening design idea to transforming your outdoor space. A well gardening design not only enhance the beauty of your home but also provide a peaceful, rustic for relax and enjoyment. Whether you have a scrolling backyard or a smart patio space, thoughtful gardening design maximize aesthetic functionally and centrability. Here are some inspired gardening idea to transforming your outdoor space into a personal oasis. Format gardening design. A format gardening is chaptering by its layout, well defined layout and structure plants agreement. This design often functional, geometric flower bed and central focal point such as a fountain to architect a classic format gardening. Consider yours. Box wood up for boundary define. Pathway to add elegant seasoning flower for a base of color and textile. Cottage gardening design for a more relaxed and wide feel. A cottage gardening is an excellent choice. This style is now for its plants to colorful plants, vibrant and informate pathway, key elements of a cottage gardening. A mix of plants such as roll, rustic wood bench is traditional, cover is Cambo rose, Z gardening inspired by Japanese aesthetic, or Z gardening explains size simple, traditional and a harmony conclusion with natural. This maximize appear often give a such rock into violet rustic water. Long rock and boundary for visitor interior. Bamboo mask and optimization gardening for natural beauty.